intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break.
Need cash? Okay. Sorry, I got no money. Hey guys, welcome back. I ordered this last week from Bergdorf Goodman, and today I'm gonna show you what's inside. This is where I purchased the bag, and that's the name of the bag. So that's the info if you're interested in buying. Alright, let's open it up. It's Prada. It's a belt bag. So inside comes with a booklet, and then it comes with the Prada authenticity card. And here is what the box looks like. Inside it has one compartment. The front. The zipper is not as smooth, but I think it just takes time to loosen it up. And here's the buckle. And it says Prada. This is nylon. It's not leather. The only leather part is just the tassel. Inside also says Prada. And it's made in Italy. It's a cute bag. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. It comes with a dust bag. And it's pretty roomy, it's not small. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and let you see how it looks like. So the first way I'm gonna show you guys is the shoulder. And the second way to wear this bag is crossbody. So I'm just gonna put it over my head like this. it to the front. It's cute both. Oh, okay, I had it upside down. Like this. So here's the crossbody. Or you can just swing it to the back. It's still cute. I kind of like it because it's like, I mean, it looks a little edgy and kind of like street style. And the third way to wear this is around your waist. Oh God, I should have put it on first. So yeah, trying to tighten a little bit. Why is it so difficult? There you go. Still a little bit loose. Okay, so there you go. This is the third way to wear it. But I don't think I will wear it like this because I feel it's not me. Or maybe I should, I don't know. It is different. I feel like an old lady. But it is hand-free, so you can just do whatever you want. Swing it, jump all you want. Need cash? Okay. Sorry, I got no money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!